Hey guys, it's Carrie with Core Marketing. This week we are going to show you how to integrate the Instagram feed into your Shopify theme. If you had it already built into your theme and it stopped working, this is because after June 29th, Instagram updated their API settings and so it no longer works with a lot of Shopify themes. So I'm going to show you how you can easily set up an Instagram feed replacing the one that you had in less than 5 minutes. So we are here on your Shopify dashboard. You're just going to want to navigate over to apps and visit the App Store. And you'll just do a search for Instagram. And this is the one I like to use. It's called the InstaFeed. So you just go ahead and add that app. So I've already done that. So all you're going to want to do is click on the open up the app. And all you'll really need to do is connect your Instagram account. So if you've already signed into your Instagram on your desktop, you should be able to just go ahead and authorize that. And then it's going to pull up your theme. So what you can do is you can play around with the spacing. You can change how it opens if you want it to open in Instagram when they click on it. If you want it to pop up or do nothing, you have that option. And then number of rows, you could have multiple rows if you'd like, and up to 8 columns. So depending on what you would like that to look like on your site, then you can play around with those settings. You'll hit save. So this is what their free theme. They have a paid theme where they allow you to have the feed in multiple places on your website. So it's pretty easy for the installation of that. But with the free one, we're just adding it to the home page. So then we're going to go over to, you're going to pull up your customize your theme. So when you're in, you go over to online store, you're going to hit customize. It's going to open up your sections editor. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down here and then you're going to add a section. And now you'll see the Instagram, the InstaFeed app. So you want to add it. And then you can just drag it to where you want it to be on your site. And then you can also customize the font, heading size, etc. You'll hit save. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my website and we're going to refresh it. And now we have our Instagram feed integrated and embedded into your theme. So that's pretty simple, easy to do. There is a video that is included with that app that provides step-by-step instructions. So that's it for this tutorial, and please follow along and sign up to subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified of our weekly tips and trips for Shopify. Thank you.